Hi everybody, my name is Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a great rock song called You Wreck Me. It was written by Tom Petty and Mike Campbell. You Wreck Me peaked at number 2 on the mainstream rock charts in 1995. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know first, then we'll perform the cover. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression and how the song comes together. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Tom Petty song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, before we get to the chords that you're going to need to know for the acoustic lounge version of this great song, I want to make a quick note. If you want to play along with me or play along with the album version of Tom Petty, you're going to need to place your capo on the first fret. Keep that in mind. All right, let's get to the 5 chords that you're going to need to know to play the acoustic lounge version. The first one is a D chord. There's an A. There's an E chord. There's a G. And in the bridge, I use a C chord. Actually, I use a C add 9. You can use either or, both work for this great song. Now you know the chords, let's get to the cover.
Now we ride, right or wrong. Now we say, radio song, rescue me. Should I go down, stay too long, trouble town. Whoa, yeah. You wreck me, baby, break me in two. You move me, honey, yes you do. And again, get the feeling, well if I don't win, gonna break even. Rescue me, should I go wrong, dig too deep, stay too long. Whoa, yeah, you wreck me, baby, break me in two. You move me, honey, yes you do. I'll be the boy, corduroy pants. You'll be the girl, high school dance. Rescue me, wherever I go, just play dumb, whatever you know. Oh, yeah, you wreck bring me into. You move me, honey. Yes, you do. You wreck me, baby. Bring me into. You move me, honey. Yes, you do.
All right, let's get to the chord progression of this great song. We're going to break it into 3 parts for you. We'll show you the verse and the chorus together because they use the same chord progression. Then we'll have a closer look at the bridge, and then we'll finish it off with a look at the outro, all of which are very, very easy. This is an easy song to play. With that said, the song starts on the D chord. Here we go. Song, rescue me. Should I go down? Stay too long. Trouble town. Whoa, hey, you wreck me, baby. Break me in two. You move me, honey. Yes, you do. And that's it. Very, very easy to play. It's got a quick tempo, but it's very, very easy to play. Let's now have a closer look at the bridge and the outro, both of which are simply instrumental and there's no lyrics to it. Okay, let's have a closer look now at the bridge, which is exclusively instrumental. Now this is the one part of the song that I've changed slightly, and let me show you the difference. In Tom Petty's original version, he incorporates bar chords. I've changed that. I've eliminated the bar chords in favor of just regular chords. I'll show you. In the original version, it basically starts on the C, and it sounds something like this. Here we go. Then he jumps up to the 7th fret using this configuration to the 5th string and plays this bar chord, which is an F. And down a string to the C. So, in the original version, it sounds like this. Into the D, A, and E. All right, so for you diehards, that's how the original is played. But if you want a more simplistic approach to this song, you can try and play the way that I play it, which is just using the C, G, D, and A. Here we go. Rather than jump to those bar chords, go to a D. And that's it. It's just a simple variation. I doubt anybody will give you any trouble for it, and it's a lot easier to play. But I wanted to show you both of them. Okay, and let's finish off with a close look at the outro. It basically is an instrumental as well, and it starts on the D chord. Here we go. That's it. Very, very simple. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.